We have a spring that one of my friends has saved for me. Just got the forge lit there, just getting that started. I'm going to try and make a set of calipers, blacksmith calipers, so something like this. A piece of chalk can go without. So you have a piece that goes like that. Obviously where my keys were, so I need to keep them so I don't lose them. And then another piece that goes like this. And then on the opposite side again. And then obviously you can bear enough two measurements. I've not got any flat bar, I was going to use some mild steel flat bar, but I've obviously got a load of this. And by a load I mean literally a load of them. See them over here. Just some random jobs and stuff in the scrapyard. So I'll set up a video and get forging this out into some sort of flat stock. So all I'm doing here is just straightening this bar out. Just stuck this old spring here. Spring steel. Straighten out on the anvil here. And once it's straight, take it to the press and we'll start flattening it out into some flat bar. So I'll try and set the camera up so you can see what I'm doing here. So we're getting pretty close now. It's the end now. Alright, so there's a block. Now we're just going to go forge it down into some flat bar. Just using the press. Got a little spacer here, hopefully. Again, we're back in the lead. A lot quicker than expected. Okay. Good. Right, so here's the caliper now, that's what we're up to. Just need to drill and rivet these onto here. You'd stamp it, but it's not come out fantastic. So I'll get this drilled and then make the rivet. Okay, so they're drilled now. Got this piece of this bit of spring steel, so we'll use that for the rivet. Because it's the thinnest stuff I can find. Ideally I'd use a bit of mild, but I'll cut this now. So it's 1.5 times diameter for the extra length of rivet. So I'll do that for either side, so about 35mm. It'll focus, so I'll chop that out now. Okay, so there we go. Right, so here's the calipers before we rivet them, obviously. So they do actually meet up quite nicely. Obviously I can address that better when they're done, just heat it with the gas or whatever. Even just use the forge. So I'm going to rivet these together now. That one's brilliant. So I don't know what I've done, obviously, with the editing. You will have already seen that. I don't know where I'm up to or what I've recorded. I need to kind of go through all that stuff. So this is the calipers. This is what I made. Focuses. So that's obviously the rivet. That was really hard to do just off the coke forge. They're a bit stiff still. They need a bit of working. This is supposed to be a bit of a fun project, but it's actually been just a bit of a bit of a nightmare, just chasing my tail. But yeah, I mean, considering just a spur of the moment kind of thing, that's what we were going for. That's what we've got. Quite happy with that. So there we go.